Boom. Big up. Welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you guys for tuning in, and it has been a good one. Hopefully, guys are enjoying the holiday. Hectic, but ensure that you're enjoying it. Don't drink too much. Don't drink too much. So, people, we're going to speak about John Barnes. He did an interview on Talawa TV. You guys can go and check it out, Talawa TV. I'm going to put the link in the description. If not, I will put the link in the pinned comment section of that interview. So I'm going to speak a little bit about some of the things that he said because he highlighted some key things and some things that we're seeing right now in the Jamaican Football Federation. So I think you guys will be very much interested in this interview. It's a peculiar one in which it highlights many factors that is wrong with the JFF. So people, I'm still on the road to 10K. It's my aim, and if you don't set an aim, you won't achieve it. If I finish this year 9,000 something, I would definitely also appreciate it because I set my target and I reach half the target. But for now, people, do the cinema special, which is HBO. Help a brother out. Help a brother out. So let's get straight into the matter of the that's what we're here for. So John Barnes recently did an interview, as I said earlier, with Talawa TV. As I said, it was a very, very interesting interview and a well coordinated interview. Lovely work from Talawa TV. I really enjoyed that one. As I said, so people remember to go and show Talawa the support. Definitely one of those YouTubers who are doing a lot of work. Talawa TV, Coaches X, I am sure sports. A lot of these guys are doing a lot of work. Dre Anywhere Sports, so much of them people. So people big up all them. Ryan LFC, massive respect to all them co-worker them. Big up. So let's get into the details. Let's get into the I can't do all them sports details. Enough of them people. Enough of them. All right. So people, he said a few things that really raised an eyebrow. I would say they raised an eyebrow. And let me highlight one of the stuff that he said. This one in particular, he has make it evident that he wants to come back and coach the Reggae Boys. He's interested. He's 100% interested in that. That's clear. That's really clear in interview. But one of the things that he said that I'm going to read. So he said this is regards to coaching the Jamaican team. I love it. We never lost one game. I think they played like about 11 or 14 games, and between 11 but 13 in that region, and they didn't lose any game. I think they drew a few games, but they didn't lose any game. So you can basically say he has the best coaching records with the Reggae Boy, record with the Reggae Boys. I love it. We never lost one game, and it was only down to politics, which is why I didn't stay. I would have loved to. I would have loved to stay and be given the opportunity to continue. No, this definitely is one of the things that really drew my attention, and I said I have to do a video about it. I have to just mention this in all aspects, and I just followed him. So there's a few things I would want to take out of it. Now, this is at the point in time he highlighted in the video he highlighted the issues that some of the issues that we are seeing right now in regards to local born and the UK born and the all to and from pulling in regards to who's better and this or that. But one thing that he makes reference to is that because some of these players are coming in because some of these players are coming from a professional background, they're coming in with the idea that this is also a professional background, and it might be contradicting in regards to what they come in and see and they saw happening very vastly different from what's taking place in regards to their professional club football and also what they're coming to play for Jamaica to see. So he said that at the point in time he didn't have any overseas player. He was mostly Jamaican born player that were actually in the squad, so he didn't have that issue. So he said that he knew that that would have been difficult. That would have definitely been difficult for any coach because that was something that was apparently part factor in the 98 World Cup, 98 World Cup campaign coming right up, and we're still seeing that. Now, when in regards to politics, he's speaking about on the basis of how he got fired, on the basis of what happened. Now, he said in the interview that if he should come back to coach the Reggae Boys, he will definitely make certain things clear in regards to making some demands. He highlighted that it's important for any coach right across the world to have full responsibility for the footballing aspect. So he hinted, for me, I think he's saying that the JFF played too much part in regards to the team selection. He also said that he would not want to be a puppet. That is the same word that he used. That's a word that we use. That is a phrase that we use, a word that we use over and over on various of the different YouTube platforms. And in the coach being a puppet, JFF pulling the strings behind, calling the shots, and the coach just carrying out the orders. So it could be a case in that he just didn't want to continue under that manner. That's the reason why they had to part ways. And he highlighted that this issue is something that is ongoing and it hasn't stopped us yet. And you can take with a pinch of salt that things might didn't go as how he feel and that he just didn't think he got enough time. Yes, he said that he didn't get enough time, but in all aspect, it tells us a lot of the happenings that is going on inside of the JFF. It is tough for any of these guys who are taking over the coaching job. And the idea that he mentioned in regards to being a puppet is a big factor in it. Team selection has to be the coach. He said that the coach needs to be the one selecting the team. That actually shows the players that you as a coach is in charge and you are selecting the best team, not based off what the technical director says, not based off what the president says, not based off anything that has to do with any other thing rather than what the coach has to do. So these are some key factors that he highlighted in regards to the happenings that is happening. So basically, he gave us some inside information in a very, very peculiar manner where he hid it, but he actually gave us inside information. So people, I won't go any further. I would love for you guys to go and watch that interview because you get a lot more. You take away different things from it. You will take away different things from it. But these are some of the things that I took away from it. That in regards to coaching the Reggae Boyz team, the coach is not 100% has the ability to select his team. The coach don't have 100% ability to select his team. People, you can watch the interview for yourself and take away what you will from that interview. You will get a better insights on what is going on. So, as I said, people, go and check out the interview. It has been a really good one, people, and I'll see you guys again. Hopefully, guys, enjoy yourself your holiday. Please don't forget to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and enjoy, people. Enjoy the holiday safely. Please, safely. Please, enjoy the holiday safely. Smash the like button. HBO, help a brother out. Road to 10K. Still aiming for that. And I see you guys again. Military Guna TV, people. And I am out.